If you remember, I did a video on this FT-707 with the noise you receive issue, and I fixed that. I thought, oh, I might as well do a bit of problem solving on. We'll try and give it a bit of a quick peek on the IF board over here. So there's a few slugs here, all along here, here, and here. We can peek. So I went through and did them. I just wanted to show, so we've got this AF cable plugged into the speaker jack, and I've got a lot of stuff lying. I should have packed it anyway. I've got a lot of stuff lying here, so just how I work. So I've got this, we've got these two leads, clip leads going up here onto the probes here. Not really probes, but probes I suppose you can call them. The 8 ohm resistor here, it's very important there, so you don't run this without a load and blow up the, even though it's salts, it's not tube, but well, that just clips onto those, and they go up here up to our vacuum tube voltmeter, not a voltmeter, vacuum tube. And someone swapped these two knobs around, so I'm going to pull it off and swap those two knobs around. But they'll be once I because I haven't done peak for a while. So this vacuum tube voltmeter is sitting in the the shed, so not being used. So I had to pull it out. It all works fine. I did a nice peak. It all worked really well. I didn't get much out of it, but that just goes to show there's good slugs in this thing. So, or ferrites, I should say. And the tool, that's very important. You don't look at those little lines there and go, oh, we'll use a screwdriver. No, you got to use. They'll crack them straight away. It's not fun when you do it because you got to try and find another. Anyway, another radio. I'm trying to get this thing doesn't want to focus. So I've been using. Come on, focus on here. I've been using an old earbud. I've been using that to I've just sort of sanded the ends down here with this, and then you can use that to tweak that, peak the slugs. Anyway, so that's that. The 707. I'm going to put it together now, and done what I wanted with it. So main problem was that high noise floor issue, but I got the bit of a peak on the IF board, which didn't really do much, but why not? It'll be good to have it back on the bench again and get to some other projects that I'm up to. Anyway, that's what's happening here.